Wow, I have a whole bunch of potatoes. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Wow. Oh dear. Good afternoon, Internet. I am here at the Container Store in Chestnut Hill picking up some pieces, Elfa pieces, for a client I have who's installing her laundry closet today. So I'm going to give her a little bit of help. Her contractor's putting up the top tracks because I don't do that, and but I can install the rest pretty easily. And I should be heading there very soon. I have about 10 minutes to get there, but it's really close, so I should be fine getting there. It is really cold today. March is the hardest season in Boston. No. March is the hardest month in Boston because there's the spring equinox happens, but it's still cold and snow everywhere, and you get like mentally you get all like hopeful. You're like, oh, maybe it's gonna be nice, and it never is. It's just cold and there's snow everywhere. So I am excited to go and work with my hands and put up some Elfa. Let's go. I'm in a construction site. Waiting for some pieces to be installed so that I can do the rest of the installation, because I don't drill into walls just in other people's property. I don't do that. So it should be a couple more minutes. I've just been hanging around, but let me show you the view. So it's the first day of spring. How are you guys dealing with that? I did see some crocuses up about a month ago, and I was like, ooh, what are you doing, baby? I'm like, get back in the ground, but you know, what are you gonna do? It's Boston. What do you expect in March? I think I'm almost ready to get to work in there, so let me go see what the deal is. Okay, so the hard part is done. There's the top track up there, and there's one right there as well. So I'm just gonna install the rest of it. The brackets are there, and thankfully, the person who installed it left me this ladder, so I'm not gonna be like, you know, struggling. Go for it. Going for it. Left my scissors in my car, so now I'm like doing some savage unpackaging with this like knife. It's fun, my job is fun. So I'm all done. I'll show you what I did and what it looks like now. So here is the finished closet. It looks pretty cool. There's storage for brooms and whatever else. You just stick the broom right in there, boom, and it hangs, and then there's some hooks. These are removable, so if you need to just move them around a little bit, you can do that. Oh my gosh, it's hard to do this with one hand and through the lens. There we go. And the shelves are movable, so I moved these up and down a couple of times because they were not at the correct heights. But I think it turned out pretty well, and there's some hampers here. And this is a drawer unit that my client previously had, so we are just reusing it in this situation. So, yay! Alright, I'm not even really sure what time it is. I just know that I was hanging out there for a while. It is 3 o'clock, so I just realized I haven't had my lunch. Jeez, man. It's one of my few nights off because I have rehearsals every evening almost during the week, so I think I'm gonna cook some stuff, but I'm not really sure. The only thing I really have to do is get Clover from the groomers and make sure he's okay, and I wonder if he had fun or anything like that, if we're play with his friends. If he didn't, we're gonna have to go take a walk. If he did, then I can just chill and he'll leave me alone. So while I'm standing here trying to go, we can do a quick what's in my car video again. So this is all my gear. So I use some of these mesh bins to organize people's stuff. I just like categorize it and just put it all in the bin. This is my kit that you saw in a previous video, and that is a crate, a dog crate. It's a travel crate. We don't crate Clover anymore, so I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with it. So that's its temporary limbo spot right there. And that's pretty much everything. Got some trash bags because that's good for organizers too, and a little first aid kit right there just in case anything happens. Umbrella and some wrapping paper. A client gave me some wrapping paper because she just didn't want it anymore, and I was like, I'll use it. I'm just gonna wrap the kids' gifts, you know, like my nieces and nephews. And if you've ever seen any of my other videos, Clover does have a car seat. It's made by a company called Kurgo. It's super cute. I had to buy it like as an emergency thing when his car seat broke suddenly, and we were on the road, and I was like, oh no. But it's actually really durable, and it lasts. It's very nice. It's a nice car seat. That's some trash. And you know, this car is really just, you know, designed for a girl and her dog. I got like the chucket right there, and an extra dog coat for Clover. So this is really like Clover and Mom's car. All right, I'm gonna go pick up the bean at the groomers and get some lunch. He might have been groomed today. I'm not really sure. There was an option to groom, and I was like, oh, if you have time, just, you know, stick him in the tub, because he took a massively, incredibly horrible sliding fall at the dog park yesterday when he was chasing friends. He like slipped on the ice, and he went down, and his whole chin situation was sliding, and he was sliding, and his whole chin was all muddy, and it was awful. We were looking at him doing it, and we just were like, and we went, whoa! And he was okay. I checked him to see if any of his teeth were messed up or anything like that. He was totally okay. He got over it in like a minute, but it was a massively crazy, muddy, sliding situation. So he definitely was dirty yesterday. So I managed to towel him off, but I don't think he's super clean. So I'm hoping that he actually had a bath today, and I'll just take him back to the park and get him muddy again. All right, I've had some time to decompress, and I got Clover. He's back there, and I got to show you guys the herbs that I planted last week. Was that last week? No, that was 2 weeks ago. So the basil is definitely doing well. There are probably too many seedlings in there, but I'm okay with that. And the cilantro just started sprouting yesterday, so I'm really excited. These took much longer than the basil. So and I'll show you what the garlic looks like as well. It's pretty big, so I may cut this and use this very soon. But this is just a planted garlic toe, and it sort of acts like this onion kind of dealio here. And you can eat this with your dishes. It's very garlicky and yummy tasting. Are you hungry? Would you like dinner? Yes? Yes? He's all clean, by the way. Since he took his little header in the mud yesterday, he got a bath, and I'm very happy that he's very clean. Okay, let me see. grocery haul. I'll show you guys what I got. Oh. I think I ordered these by accident. Wow. I have a whole bunch of potatoes. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Wow. Oh dear. Well, I think I ordered these potatoes by accident. So, because I only meant to order like this. So I don't know that now I have like a million red potatoes. Oh dear. Okay, well, I will figure out something to do with them. Gosh, but it's like for like a whole family. All right, I'll figure something out. And anyway, I got a crap load of potatoes, looks like. Got some basmati rice. I'm gonna put that in the package, and some grape tomatoes. 2 lemons, you know how we are. Corn tortillas for the tacos, and a single avocado. This is very hard though, I'm gonna leave this out. 2 shallots, olives, a bunch of asparagus, some ground turkey, some boneless chicken. This is not for us, this is for Clover. Feta cheese. I'm a little disappointed that they replaced the plain feta cheese with pepper. I mean, not that I don't like pepper, but I think this is a little bit strong, but we'll see how I like this in what we're making. Eggs. I think these are the blue eggs too. These are the pretty eggs. Let's see. Oh no, they're just the plain brown eggs, but they're still really nice. Cucumber, Greek yogurt. I thought I was getting the small packages, but I guess I was getting the big ones. Oh my gosh. This is why you shouldn't shop when you're tired, people. Some scallions, 3 big old carrots, some parsley, ½ pound of sugar snap peas, some fresh mint, some extra firm tofu, and salmon and tilapia. So I think the first thing we're gonna make, actually I'm gonna freeze both of these. I'm gonna freeze all of the meat. Maybe I'll leave the turkey out. I just have to figure out what I'm gonna make first. I'll freeze the rest of the meat. So I guess I'll figure that out. The mint actually doesn't look too good. So I'm a little concerned. Let me just open it up and see what it looks like. Yeah, the mint does look a little poorly, but we're gonna see what we can do about it. So I'm gonna put everything away. Okay, well, I put everything away as much as I could. I definitely feel weird about not checking my cart and ordering basically 1,000 potatoes. I don't need that many potatoes. I don't eat that many potatoes. I'm just gonna have a big roast fest or something, or make potato chips, and potato chips, well, that would be really good. I don't know, I'll do something with them. Sometimes you can't be 100% like perfect at home. You can't be 100% organized. You can't be 100% all together all the time. I feel like today is one of those days I'm definitely off, and hence I ordered 1,000 potatoes and chicken I didn't want. Hey, potatoes and chicken might be a good thing. I guess I'll end the vlog here, and I will see you guys in the next video. I don't even know what this vlog is gonna be like. It's just gonna be bizarre and weird and disjointed, but I will talk at you later. I hope you're having a great day or a great morning, wherever you are, and that you are enjoying every second of your life. I will see you later. Bye.